G'day guys, Tom Walton here, and today I'm going to show you my Persian Love Cake. So first thing you want to do is cream your butter and your sugar. So in with your sugar. And then we need 150 grams of Devondale butter. Best way to do it is flip it over. You've got your markings on there. You're going to add some lemon zest. Okay, so on with the paddle attachment, which attaches easily on top. So I've got that on timer. We're going to cream the butter and the sugar for about 2 minutes. All right, so the next is to crack 3 eggs, and we're going to add them slowly. We've got some almond meal we're going to go in with. 250 mils or a cup of Devondale full cream milk. Add your self-raising flour, give it a quick little mix. So after that's mixed, we're going to pop it in the cake tin. So make sure you get every little bit out of that bowl. So next we're going to add all the berries and everything on top of the cake before it gets baked, and they're going to sink through there and get all jammy inside. And you can use whatever's in season. We've got strawberries and blackberries. Into the oven. Alright guys, so this has been baked for about half an hour, cooled, and we've flipped it over, so those berries have sunk down. Now they're the top of the cake. On with the whisk. Easy way to dress it, beautiful whipped Devondale cream. So we're just going to whisk it on about a medium to high speed till we get soft peaks. Alright, so that's whipped nice soft peaks. You can see it just holding off the whisk. And then we're just going to spoon that over the cake. What I've got here though is some strawberries. I've just got a bit of icing sugar on them. And that's actually going to macerate them where they kind of get all nice and glossy and shiny. And I'm going to pour a little bit of rose water on them. So you're going to get these nice, sweet, fragrant rose water strawberries. And then all over the top of the cake. Then these marinated strawberries. So that's it guys, my Persian Love Cake, full of deliciousness and good vibes. And you know what else is good vibes? Is Ozharvest. There's a lot of Australians doing it tough right now. And if you can, donate to ozharvest.org. $1 can create 2 meals.